When I cross the finish line or clear a bar, there's no feeling like it. It's like a sigh of relief and excitement, like all at the same time. And you see, like when I was really training, I would train like 4 or 5 hours a day, all for that one moment. Coach Town almost ruined me coming to Hillsdale because when he called me, I found out on the phone that he didn't know I was a pole vaulter. So he's recruiting me just for sprinting, and we're talking about it, and somehow I like caught on, and I was like, you know I'm a pole vaulter, right? Like I have the state record and I've won state like 3 times. And Coach Town like covered the phone up, like looked over to Coach Foe and was like, so she's a pole vaulter. And I think Coach Foe had the same thought of like, okay. He said to me, Coach Town, please just come to Hillsdale once and then I'll never call you again. And I'm like, okay, that sounds like a deal. I'll make that deal. I'll make the time. I'll come up to Hillsdale and take care of this, and this guy won't call me again. And then I went up to Hillsdale and just fell in love with the place. When I got the Division II record, I didn't know it was the record at the time, actually. I'm weird. I don't focus on things like that. So like I just knew I jumped higher and I was elated. Like every meet you wanted to do well for Hillsdale. Like you wanted Hillsdale to have a good name and you wanted to bring your team up and have your team be one of the best in the country. The 4x4 was so special to me because it was a team thing. I believe we had 2 seniors on it, and then me and my friend Aaron were freshmen. At one of our last meets of the season, we ended up qualifying for nationals, and we were like the last people to get in, or second to last, like barely got in. We ended up going from coming in as one of the last people to getting an All-American title in that race. I have a picture somewhere of me puking in a trash can and like fist bumping in the air, and one of the seniors is like patting my back, and that just summed it all up. I got married last August, to love of my life, Adam. He actually, we were both pole vaulters in high school, so we met because of track and field. To be inducted in the Hillsdale Hall of Fame means a ton to me. It means the world to me. When I think about Hillsdale, I think about all the things Hillsdale gave me. What the coaches, the facilities, like all the staff there. Everybody gave me so much. They helped me every step of the way to accomplish everything I wanted to accomplish. So for them to want to celebrate me for something, it's incredible.